Hey there, Money Masters. It's your girl Izzy, back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's not only fun, but also budget-friendly. We're talking about DIY holiday decorations. Now I know what you're thinking. Izzy, what does this have to do with finance? Well, stick with me and I'll show you how this fun holiday activity can teach us a lot about managing our finances. Imagine your holiday decorations as your financial portfolio. Each decoration represents a different aspect of your finances. The Christmas tree, the centerpiece of your holiday decor, is like your main income source. It's the biggest and most important part of your financial portfolio. Just like how you'd spend time choosing the perfect tree, you should also invest time in securing a stable income source. Now let's talk about the ornaments. Each ornament represents different investments you make. Some are shiny and new, like a promising stock you just bought. Others are old and cherished, like a long-term investment that's been growing over the years. Just like how you'd carefully select and place each ornament, you should also be mindful of each investment you make. The lights on your tree, they're like your savings. They might not be the most noticeable part of the tree, but they're what makes the tree shine. Similarly, your savings might not seem like a big deal now, but they're what will light up your financial future. And let's not forget the star or the angel at the top of the tree. That's your financial goal. It's what you're working towards. It's what gives all the other decorations meaning. Whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or traveling the world, your financial goal is what guides your financial decisions. Now, just like how you wouldn't randomly throw decorations on your tree, you shouldn't randomly manage your finances. You need a plan. You need to budget. Decide how much you're going to spend on each decoration, just like how you decide how much to invest, save, and spend. And remember, it's okay to start small. If you can't afford fancy decorations, make your own. If you can't invest a lot of money right now, start with a small amount. The important thing is to start and to keep going. So there you have it, folks. DIY holiday decorations as a metaphor for managing your finances. I hope this helps you see your finances in a new, fun way. And remember, just like how each decoration adds to the beauty of the tree, each financial decision you make adds to your financial health. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps me create more content like this. And as always, remember, money matters are made easy when you break them down. So keep breaking down those financial barriers and let's make our money work for us. Until next time, this is Izzy, signing off. Happy holidays, Money Masters.